Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Passion E Profession. I'm back with new video. I hope everyone is safe and doing good. Today I am taking you through my kitchen tour. Just want to show you how we can organize a kitchen in a better way. Since it is a rented flat, I have got limited things in my kitchen. This is the entrance to my kitchen and it is quite spacious. In the left side of my kitchen there is one shelf where I keep all the small utensils. These are some of the ceramic things which we use in our daily basis. These are some of the snacks and biscuits. I keep my groceries in these boxes. And here you can see some of my daily use utensils. This is the traditional water pot. This is the place where I keep the Holy Quran. These are some of the masalas and dry fruits. In the left side of the stove, I keep oil jars along with water bottle. This is the window of my kitchen. In the right side, I keep most required things for cooking. This is the money plant which I like most, and some of mugs which we use for coffee and tea. Here I hang my chopping board. This is the place where I keep one phone holder, mixer grinder, juicer and all types of spoons. This is a wooden roti maker, but I like to use it as a chopping board. This is utensils washing area, where I always keep one small dustbin. It's very useful for separating the waste. Here I keep onion and ginger garlic. All other vegetables are kept in refrigerator. This is my refrigerator. While I am in kitchen, my baby Rida sits or sleeps here. It's very useful for me. This is the sticky notepads with two different colors, one for vegetable and one for groceries. This is the way to my balcony. It's attached with my kitchen. Let's go. In the right side, we have a washroom with Indian toilet. This is the outdoor plant. I hang it in my balcony. This is the view from my balcony. This is a washing area where I keep my washing machine and laundry bucket. I hope you like my kitchen tour. If you like, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.